With ABAP and the Philippine boxing team focusing on individualized training, they have decided to fly in 3 boxers from the Philippines to Metz, France for Nesty Petesio and Ira Villegas. One of them is Nesty's brother, Norlan. Knowing it could be her last stint in the Olympics, Nesty is changing things up for this training camp. Instead of sparring with the world's best, she will keep her cards close to her chest by working with 3 Filipino boxers instead. Joining her brother Norlan are Clark Visera and Ronnie Ogaire.
Gusto kong maiwan dito kasi hindi na ako bumabata, and yung laro ko before sa mga 20s pa ako, yung bilis ko, tsaka bilis ko ngayon, magkaiba eh. So, kung lagi ako nakikita ng ibang katimbang ko, ibang kalabang ko, mapapansin din nila yan. So, kaya as long as na kung pwedeng sa laban na lang nila akong makita, kaya gusto kong maiwan dito.
Nesty got what she wanted on their first day of sparring as she was beat up and tired at the end of it, but this was exactly what she needed.
Sobrang laking tulong talaga ng mga lalaki kasi yung speed nila, yung bilis talaga, yun yung gusto kong makuha. Yung bilis nila, yung pace nila, hindi ko man sila malampasan. Kahit pa paano, makadikit man lang ako sa bilis na yun. Yun yung gusto ko talaga.
Her much bigger brother did not wear head protection, but he might change his mind moving forward as he got whacked with a couple of solid lefts from the Olympic silver medalist.
Dumilim talaga yung paningin ko dun, sir. Totoo. Di ako nagpatama talaga. Tinitignan ko yung gano'n kabilis si ate, yung power niya. May improve pa talaga. More training pa. Tutulungan ko siya para hindi man lang sa yung advance kami, pero sana makuha yung gold yun.
For Norlan, there was hesitation to joining this training camp in Metz, as he did not want it to appear like a favor for Nesty to have her younger brother by her side. However, there was a need for a taller sparring partner to emulate Nesty's taller opposition in Paris.
Sa akin po talaga, parang ayaw ko po kasi parang pabor po kasi kapatid niya ako, parang may favor po. Pero pinag-usapan namin ni ate na maganda akong ka-training partner niya kasi yung mga kalaban niya matatangkad. Tinitignan ko talaga kung mga laro nila kaya ginagaya ko kung paano kami mag-training ni ate Nesty.
Norlan has often said that Nesty's sacrifices in the sport of boxing has sustained their family since he was 7 years old. Now, he has a great opportunity to give back by pushing his ate to her absolute limits. From Metz, France, Carlo Paminduan.